To make a stop motion video, the first thing you'll need to do is get a stop motion app. Go to the App Store and download Stop Motion Studio. Once it's on your computer, open it up and it will look like this. Press the plus sign to start a new stop motion video. This will be your first screen. It shows you where to tap to get more pictures. It's super important that your camera doesn't move when you're taking the pictures, and that the only thing moving is the thing you want to be moving. I built an overhead stand to hold my iPad so my camera doesn't move when I take the pictures. Each time you see that red button click and it makes a picture sound, I'm taking a new picture. A stop motion video is usually about 12 pictures per second. So as you can see, I'm not moving the car very far each time. I'm only doing a little bit, so it'll be on the screen for maybe a second or two. If I did it much faster, it would look like a blur going across the screen, and it probably isn't the effect you want. Now you will see I will only take a few pictures to move the car across the whole screen. This will make the car appear like it's moving super fast when you watch it in real time. Now I'm going to play back the video so you can see the slow, normal speed moving car versus the super fast version. Here are a few different setups that people have used to hold their camera steady. Paper clips, a used credit card or an old Dave & Buster's card or a coffee cup. Some people even balance them on books. Be careful because you don't want your phone to break. Here are a few tips. That microphone is where you add sound. That play button plays your animation. Right over here is the plus sign, so you could add more pictures to your project. And this is a button that will take you back to your projects and saves your project that you're currently working on. I hope you guys learned a little bit about stop motion by watching this video. If you have any questions, just email me. I'm always around. Have fun making your videos, guys.